Hello, my beautiful people. You welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to light my charcoal stove. So I want to light my charcoal stove. I just bought a new charcoal stove, so I want to light it and show you how to light it and cook whatsoever you want to cook. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. See you in my next video. Yeah, guys, I just bought this my charcoal stove. This is my charcoal stove from the market today. I just came back with it. So I want to light it and cook some delicious food. So I don't know how to light it, but I'm going to read from the instruction. As you can see here, since it is charcoal stove, so we are going to add charcoal on the top side like that. Are we going to full it? No, just to the size that we'll be able to sit the pot. You see it? So as we added the charcoal there, this is where we open. Yeah, we are opening this lid for air to pass in. Then we are going to add a little kerosene, a little, okay. So light your matches. Yeah, so that is it. Remember to keep the slit open, this slit a little open, so when it is light the flame will go off. Then we now put our pot on it.